Hello and welcome to theprofitroom.com. My name is Ernest. I'm one of the team members here. You're watching a live trade of us day trading NASDAQ futures. Now, as you notice, the market is very bullish. It's been pushing higher and higher and higher from the market open. The market opened at 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. So what do? We wait. As you notice, we start to short the market. So that means that we anticipate the price to go lower and lower and lower, and we make money as the price falls. If you watch many of our videos, we show you how we make money on both sides of the market, whether the market goes up or whether the market goes down. As a trader, we're not biased. We trade what we see, not what we think. So why did we take this trade short? We got to an area called resistance, which is a ceiling. When the market opens, it can be very, very volatile, and it can just shoot up right away. As a trader, you don't want to fall into a habit of chasing a move. You want a controlled trade setup. And this is what we teach our students at theprofitroom.com. As you notice, the bar is starting to turn red. This is called an engulfing bar. Why do we call it an engulfing bar? Because if you look at the previous 4 bars, this red bar engulfed means swallowed up the profits of those previous green bars. So that gives us a nice sign that there may be a lot of selling pressure coming in, and there's a chance that the price can go even lower. As you notice, we start to add more contracts. We're in 5 contracts. As positions traders, we always add when we are in the money. We want to see a nice flush come through. This second bar is starting to show us some great signs that there's still more rapid selling pressure coming in. But as short-term traders, we're trading for income, we're trading for freedom, right? To do whatever we want throughout the day and to enjoy life. We know that the market overall is bullish, so we're trading a smaller setup to create money. So we don't plan on staying in this trade for a long period of time. You'll notice we put limit orders in, and we're going to start scaling out this trade. We're going to start pulling that money out because that's what we do as day traders. You notice this bar is starting to get real red. We have 1 contract left. This is what we was looking for. We made $2,600 probably in less than like 5 to 6 minutes. This is the power of technical analysis and learning how to trade based off of chart patterns. This is what we teach our students how to trade at theprofitroom.com. You can learn on your own, it's self-paced, or you can always upgrade to have private mentorship sessions where we teach you one-on-one. We hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, get educated and trade safe.